Wait, no, these are so cute.
Love me a game of cards.
Oh, Lou, I'm annoyed because now I need these.
Aren't they so good?
It wouldn't be Christmas at SheerLuxe without Lou and I doing a present unboxing. So we are here, we have gifts for each other, and we're gonna unwrap them. It's as simple as that.
I'm very excited. Maybe you will get some good inspo for gifts for your loved ones.
Maybe we'll get some good inspo.
True.
Let's go. I think this is the same thing.
When I touch yours, I think I know what
Okay,
it's
so
doing.
you open yours. This is a stocking filler that I know that Lou will love.
So fun opening this. I knew it would be this. Should I tell a fun story?
Okay, go on. It makes me sound horrible.
We were in Edinburgh and I said how much I really, really wanted one of these hairbrushes. Oh, sorry, it matches your jumper so well. And Charlotte was like, do you even brush your hair?
To be clear,
With so much sass.
Literally came out, I was like, do you even brush your hair?
that is because she always tells me about how she doesn't brush her hair and it becomes haggard if she does. It wasn't because I look at her and think that she has unbrushed.
Well, you may think that today because it's a natural hair wash day.
That was a really sweet colour.
Thank you. It's a really nice
welcome.
colour. I love this so much. Thank you. That is gorgeous. It also just like looks really good on a shelfie.
This is it. For people who don't know, Le Bon Bruce.
Yeah.
A very, very stylish type of hairbrush.
Stunning. My daughter actually has an orange one.
Chic. It's quite large for a stocking filler.
Well, what counts as a stocking filler?
Something small.
Oh, okay. It's less small.
Okay. Wait, no, these are so cute. I've not seen these.
Fun, aren't
Do you know what?
they?
I also I don't work on the fashion team anymore, so I feel like I don't see as much product as you do. So this is extra fun for me. Oh, cute.
Charlotte loves a fluffy shoe.
Yeah.
And
I do think these are a slipper.
they are a slipper. They are a slipper.
Yeah.
They're from Zara Home.
They are really, really chic. I love something that's cozy but also looks good. So that's
and
a win
like
for me.
if you're hosting on Christmas Day or at any point of the festive season, I feel like wearing heels in your own house feels really strange, and something chic like that I think is cute.
I quite like wearing heels on Christmas Day.
Do you? In your own house?
Well, I would be in my parents' house, not in my own house.
That's fine. In someone else's house, but in your own, would you ever wear heels?
I actually would if I was hosting Christmas Day, but I would like the idea at 5 o'clock of putting these on. So a good gift to open that morning. Thank you so much. This is something for your home.
Ooh.
I know what this is. I remember and I'm pleased. I know you'll like this.
I'm actually really excited for your home one too.
Oh, good.
Love me a game of cards.
They're papier. Aren't they sweet? So they're from Selfridges, but Papier, which is the stationery brand, also do playing cards.
Love that so much. Fail-safe present is a nice pack of playing cards.
Yeah.
Or a backgammon set.
Well, I thought about that. Somebody also recently gave me, I think it's Jonathan Adler, an acetone little box with playing cards in it. And on the coffee table, it looks so lovely.
So nice. Yeah, because often they don't look very pretty.
Yeah.
Very
Also
helpful.
a good gift when you don't know what to get someone.
Exactly. Question, what time of the day do you open your presents?
Like not first thing, but morning. Maybe like 10:30.
Okay.
Yeah.
And all at once?
We sort of gently, everyone's polite about it.
Yeah.
But yes, all at once, not one by one.
Oh, wow. Wait, you don't go around the room?
That would take so long. My mum loves to buy bits for everybody. It would there's a lot of bits.
Okay, we do like stockings in the morning.
Yeah.
And then one by one. And then we kind of gradually throughout the day just kind of do one by one under the tree.
Throughout the day? So like by lunch you wouldn't have finished opening?
No, there'll be still some under the tree.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
some self-discipline. My family is not that. Okay, so you think this is my for the home
I
gift?
think so.
Treat. Ooh. Oh my God, I love this so much. This is sick. Can I keep this?
Isn't it
Listen,
so cool?
we all know smoking isn't cool, okay? And that's why we buy China smoking paraphernalia and not real ones. For all my guests who like a cigarette. Love it. Love it. That is so cool. Where's it
Isn't
from?
So cool. Anna and Nina.
Oh yeah. I need to take this home with me.
So fun, right?
Okay. I think I have two for Bobby.
Oh, fun.
Your little girl. So I can't remember what they are.
I
but
feel like buying for little ones is like such a joy.
so fun. And as I said to you, I started looking for her.
Yeah.
And then I started buying for all the little girls in my life because it was all just so fun. Oh my God, how sweet are they?
Oh my God.
How sweet are
so cute.
Actually, Next was unbelievable for little
Yeah,
girl
it is
stuff.
really good.
I thought it was so dolly.
Little pajamas, again, like such a good present for little ones because like a boring thing to have to buy yourself. And the collar,
Oh, they're
so cute, and they're so nice and
gorgeous.
thick.
I love them so much. I think they're so sweet. Do you want to open the other one while we're
so
here?
fun. They're like we should FaceTime for a while.
This was cool. I remember really loving this.
Oh, it's very soft. Oh,
Yeah.
it's very soft. Ooh, oh, cute.
Isn't that cute? And you were just telling me that blue is her favourite colour.
Oh my God, blue is her favourite colour.
This is from Next as well. I honestly found, do you shop for her on Next?
Oh my God, that is so
Isn't
sweet.
it the bows? Look.
It's also something that I feel like your husband would wear.
Oh, he'd love this. Cute.
I love that so much.
Good.
I want to keep that.
Yeah, chic.
Really cute. Okay, this is for Scooby.
Yay! Scooby's my dog in case
I
you
don't
know
really,
this.
I'll be honest, I don't really know how to buy for a dog.
If it helps, I don't really buy him stuff.
I just thought it looked really cute.
Oh my God, that's so sweet. Oh my God,
It's a
it's a stocking. Oh, that is so cute. Zara Home delivers.
I mean, I
It's a
guess you
bone-shaped
just
stocking.
put like treats in
Oh
it.
yeah, no, he'd love just to like find things in it.
But just like Zara, oh, look at his hearts on the inside. Zara Home is my favourite.
Look.
Oh, sweet.
I don't want to tear the tree down, but yeah, cute.
Yeah.
Zara Home actually have really good gifts for pets, like a whole
Yeah,
category.
it's really, really nice.
Yeah.
And actually, I went to the South Ken store the other day, and it was purely Christmas decks, and it was a feast. Did
you want everything?
I wanted everything. Although there was some, I'm really particular about ribbon, and there was like a burgundy, not like cross between a velvet and a satin, but it was like £50 for a roll of ribbon, which is a lot. Even for me.
Spenny. I think
What
this
was
is
my
something
thinking
else for the
cards?
home
Oh, okay.
that I think you'll like.
It is big and heavy. Ooh.
That it's from
Fun.
Zara and it's a really snuggly
Oh my
blanket.
God.
I just know you like to be cozy.
Oh my
You know,
God,
yeah,
sorry.
you'd like this.
Wrapping myself up, playing my cards, and brushing my hair.
Living the dream. That's all you want to do.
What a moment!
You're welcome.
I am snug as a
That
bug.
is really snuggly,
It's
isn't it?
really nice, and I feel like it. You know, we could kind of.
We could definitely get in it together.
So cute. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
Again, like just not a thing you want to buy yourself,
No.
and like throw it on the bed.
Yeah, exactly.
Super cute.
So cozy. My dog would like
thank
this
you
too.
so much.
You're welcome. This is my beauty gift from you, which makes me realise that yours didn't arrive. Can I tell you what it was?
Yeah.
It was the Merit Blusher.
The best.
The best.
The best. Again, another thing, if you're buying for women in your life and you're not sure what they want, no one would turn down a Merit Blush.
Yeah, I agree. And if they don't know what it is already, they're going to love it when they try it.
Love it so
the best. Okay. What shade Merit Blusher do you wear?
Stockholm.
Me too. Twins. Okay. Oh, yes, my favourite.
The best.
These are my favourite. I've not seen this little gift set. So 111 Skin for any sort of puffiness, like whether it's their sheet masks, their eye masks, or the jet lag mask in a bottle, which is just like the best thing ever. This is so cute.
It's a little like travel edition.
Love.
So cute.
With all the, oh my God, that is so good. That's a great gift. Great stocking filler.
Yeah.
Even though this is my beauty gift. Well done. Depuffing eye masks.
So cute, right?
Cute and
I actually,
wallet.
this morning, I normally keep mine in the fridge, and I went to go and get them this morning after a very bad night's sleep, and they were not there, and I was really sad. So yeah, the perfect gift for all year round, really.
I don't keep mine in the fridge, but I do keep my ice, like the rollers, the metal rollers in the
Yes.
fridge. So when I put on a face mask, I just go and stand in my fridge with the rollers and just go.
So nice.
So nice. Okay, time for the biggie.
The biggies.
Can I give you yours?
Okay, fine.
This is something special.
Something special. The best.
This is the one that's always the hardest to give back. This one's in Harrods, but it is available in other places as well.
Oh my God, so fun.
Do you love it?
I love
I thought you might.
Oh my God. It is so good. Like, stay away from any fake tan
sorry.
hands.
She literally pulled it away from me. Okay.
Anything
With the
messy.
scarf.
Just so chic. I've spoken, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I've spoken so much about the scarf cape detail this season, but I honestly just think it's the chicest thing.
Yeah, it's so chic. I love it.
I love it. It's really nice and
And obviously Toteme had the jacket with the stitching that was so popular over the last few years, and this is their latest iteration, but I think this is the chicest one yet.
yeah, I agree. Oh my God.
Oh my God, it's so cool. Imagine that with your blanket.
Oh my God. You mean
Playing
you
your,
able to see me?
playing your cards, brushing your
Brushing
hair.
my hair.
Wait, it's so
Having
chic.
a fake cigarette with your phone.
Wait, is there a scarf here? For it. Chic.
So chic. Fun.
It's
Love.
giving stylish snowman.
I'm the vibe I always go for.
This makes me feel really festive. I'm just thinking about going home and watching a film. This is the first time I've got a little frisson of Christmas.
Okay, this is mine for you,
I'm
which
excited.
I would also want to receive. And I think if you're giving a gift to your girlfriend, you should want to receive it as well.
This is true. This would probably be quite an indulgent girlfriend gift.
It would.
Like maybe one for, maybe a special something for a special person, or one to put on your own list.
Yeah.
I had a suspicion it was a shoebox, which is why I didn't unwrap it on the table because new shoes on the table.
Bad luck. It doesn't get much better than a box like that.
It doesn't. And they're a fresh pair of my ones that have been absolutely shredded.
No.
Oh my God, cool.
Aren't they?
And they wouldn't get ruined because it's not a
I
point.
know.
I have a pair of quite similar shaped boots, but I've ruined the point at the end. They're so
black.
Oh, the square toe. Oh, Lou, I'm annoyed because now I need these.
Aren't they so good?
Oh my God, they're so... You're going to have to try these on because I'm wearing a skirt today. So you're going to have to be the model.
I'll try them on for you, no problem.
Do you know what? Anything Kate or Toteme, like you unbox.
Exactly,
would
yeah.
be the dream.
Like for a fashion girly in your life, anybody watching that needs some inspo, you can't really go wrong with these. They are a real treat, but look, they're just so special. Like I have a pair of brown suede ones, which I probably got 3-4 years ago. And every time I wear them, I feel so good.
And also I have to say my burgundy ones are the most comfortable boots I own.
Oh, really?
Oh
Yeah,
my
mine
God,
are
they're
super
so comfy.
Yeah, it's the toe, like being
that toe,
that long,
really
it's so
cool.
good. And I feel like you don't like a high heel boot.
Because I commute on the train, so I need a boot that I can walk in. If I was like Hodge, who could just like totter around London in crazy heels, I definitely would. Or Nana. In case they size up.
Okay.
I can't go. Okay, well that's a no then. Okay, so we're learning that you need to size up in these because Lou can't get it on.
I'm trying really hard.
No, let's not break the boots. Lou, I can see it's not going to go in. Size up.
But they must go in.
Size up. No, because I suppose that's rather narrow.
Okay, we'll just pretend.
Okay. Okay, that's it for another year.
What is on your Christmas wish list?
On my Christmas wish list is, do you know what, I would so happily receive anything that I've got today. I'd like some good heels as well, but like not boots to walk in. Heels that fit in the brown burgundy family.
Yeah, nice.
Okay, I'm going to go rogue now. There's something I really want. Have I told you about this?
No.
Called a coquilleur.
No.
We'll have to put a video on screen. You can only get vintage French ones, and it is a silver butter press. And it basically...
Butter press?
Yeah. So imagine like a little floral silver dish, and you push down, and the butter comes out in like...
Wow.
It's gorgeous.
Wait, in a beautiful shape?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. I'll show you a video afterwards. So I would like a coquilleur.
Okay.
And I also would like a little radio I can walk around my house with. The other thing
What do you
I
mean
thought...
walk around your house with?
So I play the radio out. I play the radio out of my phone every morning.
Oh.
And it means that I can't open TikTok or a voice note or
Okay,
anything.
fine.
So I would just like a little separate.
Oh, yeah,
deal.
there's loads of those little,
exactly.
little ones.
So that's what I would like. What about you?
We went to Stockholm earlier in the year and stayed at Hem, which is like the most beautiful hotel I've ever stayed in. And by the bed, it had this gorgeous gold kind of pop-out clock in like a little square, kind of like this. And it was so chic. And I've not been able to stop thinking about it ever since.
Okay, so we all really niche gifts for Christmas.
Yeah, and it's not the type of thing that I would have ever bought myself, which is the perfect gift. So that is on my Christmas list. And a pair of leather gloves.
Yes.
You have a really good pair.
I do. It's one of those things, again, I think my mum got them for me for Christmas a while ago.
Yeah.
And they're sort of shearling lined or something. And you buy them once, unless you lose one. But it's just like the best thing to own.
Yeah, because we've got a little cashmere lined pair.
Oh, nice.
Which are really chic. So those two things are top of my wish list.
There we go. Well, let's hope our loved ones are listening. Thanks as ever. That was fun, as it always is.
Always.
We'll have a Merry Christmas and we'll see you next year.